Welcome to Orchard Cottage and the Old Forge. 2 properties in one, 4-bedroom detached house here. 3-bedroom barn conversion behind me, sitting in beautiful grounds with a running stream, all located in the rural setting of West Putford in North Devon. Come take a look. The Old Forge is a 3-bedroom barn conversion, as I've said, and this has been tastefully decorated completely by our vendor clients. It now features beautiful accommodation over 2 floors with a stunning master bedroom upstairs. I'm standing in the kitchen. It's all been completely renovated and done up and installed, ready for occupation. The property features 4 bedrooms upstairs, all doubles, with a family bathroom. Downstairs, where I'm standing, this is the dining area. You've got a lovely wood burning stove behind me. Opens up into a lovely kitchen. There is a utility space, and across the way there is a separate lounge. So if you are considering a change of lifestyle, rural setting, beautiful views like the ones behind me, do give Fine & Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.